Today I'm reviewing the BLACK+DECKER Dusbuster. This is a cordless handheld vacuum, and so far it's been pretty amazing. It is pretty good size. It's not too big. It's definitely not heavy. And then it has this extension right here that is very helpful. It has a good size container here for all of the stuff that I'm vacuuming up, and it has a battery indicator, and the on-off button is within reach, so there's no like flipping or anything like that. And so it's just a quick push, and then there are 2 levels of suction, so there's a low and a high. And then it is chargeable, so there's no battery packs, which is really nice. We have actually mounted ours to the wall here, so it sits really nicely, just like that. Get it down. As you can see, my dog decided to tear up his stuffed animal, and so it's just a real quick fix. The only complaint I have is that this is not really smooth to pull out, and it's not really smooth to put back. I have pinched my finger a couple times trying to push that in, so I think if there's anything they could do better, it would just be that. But having that attachment out is really nice because I don't have to bend down so far to sweep under the cabinets or the table and stuff. So I think I would definitely recommend this, especially if you have small kids or a pet.
So, bought this a month ago, and now it refuses to charge or work for more than 30 seconds. Don't buy a product.